Morning students, today we are going to study here this chapter division. In this division chapter, this dividing a two-digit number by a single digit number. Dividing a two-digit number by a single digit number. Four farmers, here one word problem given. Four farmers together bought these 84 sacks of manure and wondered how to divide them equally among themselves. Four farmers, and they together bought these 84 sacks of this manure. See this, here given one farmer suggested this following method. Step 1 method. One farmer suggested this method, this first one method you see here. Each farmer gets 10 sacks. Four farmers. Each farmer get 10 sacks. How many farmers here? 4 farmers, means 10 into 4, 40. Then 84 minus 40 you do here, this 44. Again 44 sacks remain. Then from the remaining these 44 sacks, each farmer get this 10. Again 10 sacks, means 44, 10 into 4, 40, means 44 minus 40 is equal to 4. Again these 4 sacks remain. Of the remaining 4 sacks, each farmer given again one sack, means here 4 sacks are given. Then last one, this 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore each farmer gets a share of this 10 plus 10 plus this last one 1. 10 plus 10 plus 1 is equal to 21 sacks. Another farmer suggested this another method. See this. Each farmer is given suppose 20 sacks. Each farmer given suppose 20 sacks. Then 20 into 4 is equal to 80. Again 84 minus 40, 80 is equal to 4 sacks remain. Then in of the remaining these 4 sacks, again each farmer is given 1, means 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, means 20 plus 1 is equal to 21 sacks. This answer is same, 21 also 21. Equal shares can also be made by this carrying out a division as follows. See this division. The divided is 84 by this 4. 4 farmers, 84 sacks. Or here 8 tens and 4 unit. The divisor is this 4. 84 is dividend, 4 is called this divisor. Let us first distribute this tens place. Which tens place? This 8 tens. This can be divided by this 4 number. And let us say these 4 timetables. 4 twos are 8, means 4 twos are 8. So we can directly distribute these 2 tens each. Let us subtract those, each gets 2 tens. So let us write these 2 above this line in the 10 place for this quotient. When we subtract these 8 tens from these 8 tens, means here 0. Next let us distribute these 4 units. 4 units, these 4 times 4 ones are 4. Here 4 ones are 4. Each gets this 1 unit. Let us write here 1 above the line in the quotient place of this number. After subtracting these 4 units, the 0 is remain. Then quotient is 21 and remainder is 0. It's 21 quotient. 0 remainder. This 4 divisor. divisor and this number 84 dividend. Then see here next one. The teacher gave Rohit, Shobha and Madhvi, here 3 students. See this, Rohit, Shobha and Madhvi give to work these 36 little bindis to stick on a piece of paper. She asked them to put an equal number of bindis in each row and them to count these how many rows were formed. This Rohit work here, how many bindis? 6. Then here 6 rows and in one rows here 6 bindis, means 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Then see this Shobha's work here. Here how many rows? Here 9 rows and in one rows here 4 bindis. Then 9 into 4 also is equal to 36. Then Madhvi's work, you see here this Madhvi's work here 5 rows. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows and in each rows here 5 bindis. 7 5s are 35. Again 1 remain here. Madhvi said I put here 5 bindis in 1 row, so these 7 full rows were formed and 1 bindis remain again. Now you try to form these rows of these 8 bindis each using these 36 bindis. Then see this division. Next one, carry out these following divisions. Write down this divisor in this type of this divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Carry out these following divisions. Here are some examples given. These divisions. (58) divided by this 3. Then this 3 number divided by this 58. Firstly you divide this unit place 10 place number, here 10 place number 5. You divide this 2 digit number by this single digit number. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, this big number, therefore 3 1s are 3 right here. This 5 minus 3 2. Then again this unit place number you take here, means then here which number is formed here? 28. Again you count this 3 table, 3 7s are 20, 3 9s are 27. Then here 8 minus 7 1 2 2 0. This 1 is remainder. 1 remainder. 19 this answer means quotient. And here this 58 dividend. And 3 number divisor. In this type all examples you solve, and in this type this divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder write. Again one example you see. (92) divided this 7 number. 92 divided 7 number is divided by this 92 2 digit number divided by this the single digit number. Say this, firstly you divide this 10 place number 9, 7 1s are 7, 9 minus 7 2. Then again this unit place number you take here, the number is formed here 22. Then count this 7 table, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, this big number, therefore you take here 7 3s are 21. 2 minus 1 1, 2 2 0. This 1 remainder, 13 quotient, then this 92 dividend and 7 divisor. Again one example, see 79 divided 3. 79 divided 3. This 3 number you divided by this 79 number. Then firstly you divide here this 10 place number 7. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. And here 7 minus 6 1. Then you write here this 9 number, then unit place number, take here 9, then 19 number is formed, then again you count these 3 table, 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21, this big number, therefore you write here 3 6 are 18. 9 minus 8 1 1 1 0, this 1 remainder and this 26 quotient. 79 divided by 3 is equal to 26 quotient and 1 remainder. Here again some examples given. Then you write these divisions, write down this divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder of this each examples. Divided 6, 75 divided 5, 52 divided 4, 44 divided 3, 92 divided 8. All of you complete this homework, okay?